All right.
Did you say 5?
No.
You pick word.
Yes, correct. I picked, and that was noise. Okay.
Was that noise? No one picks.
Yes.
I pick word.
Wow, my yes was terrible, but it picked it up. I did say yes. Okay.
Was that noise? No
Yes.
one picks.
Yes.
I pick word.
Emergency.
Did you say emergency? No one picks.
Yes.
I pick word.
And by the way, the AC's on, so light.
Did you say next? I pick word.
Now see, it got it wrong. That was just junk. There you go.
You pick word.
So now streak is at 0. Let's kill that, start over. This is a test.
Did you say this is a test? No
Yes.
one picks.
Yes.
I pick word.
When it says no one picks, it's the background noise, and that's fine. That's correct. If it's not a yes or no, it's the other one, right? I thought in this video I was going to go ahead and add in the code to automate it, right? So I don't have to keep clicking these buttons. But I realized it's so far away where I just have to keep training it and training it and training it that now I'm like, okay, I don't know if I want to do this.
Was that noise?
Yes.
I pick word.
Okay, yeah, that's true.
Did you say next? No one picks.
No.
You pick word.
Yeah, I don't remember what I said. Welcome back. In the last video, we discussed the significance of all of these. And so what I did is I mentioned all of these to ChatGPT and Gemini. And as a result, both of them came up with, no, I did not have everything I needed. One thing, so again, I discussed that accuracy is retrain accuracy. It takes all of the historical samples, runs through them, and this is the percentage that it got correct on the retrain, which is 96.6%. But that speaks nothing of did it get what I just said correctly? And so we enhance the models to do live accuracy, meaning on the first try of what I've just said, did you predict correctly? And then versus the total, right? And what's interesting is this started very low and it has been climbing up slowly. But look at how many live totals of speeches, I've made, words, phrases, 202. And yet 13 is the highest because every time it gets one wrong, this goes to zero, immediately goes to zero. So it's interesting that this one, especially this one in combination with this one have illuminated something that was just not obvious. You can have a high and increasing live accuracy, but if your streak is still small, that's not good. So this I would say has veto power over trying to make this thing be hands free. As a matter of fact, I would say we are a long way from making this hands free. This has got to be way way higher than it is right now. Separately, what this is illuminating is that if you're writing an application, doesn't matter what it is, it's good to have visual stats because they illuminate things that might not be obvious to you. So I think I didn't expect to have this ending, but just based on what I've observed, where the live accuracy was pretty high, almost 90%, and yet the streak is so little, that means that there's no point for me to add the code to automate it because it's just never going to get there. I don't want to sit here and do that. So I'm just going to pretend the code to actually automate. It's just a function that does veto power, right? Basically, you pick the stats that you think should have veto power, and if it exceeds those, it's a go. Think of a rocket launch, a go no go per station. You pick the ones that you think are important. Go no go. If it's a go, it's automated. So it's a if else statement, really. It's not much more than that. And if it's a no go, you continue on as it is. So I think this ends this series. I did not plan it this way.